We're going to, this is the top of the sixth. The first two pitches were balls to Max. He fouled off a pitch that was called a strike. We're 2-2. Swing and a miss. One man out. Caden is up. 99 is in the game to pitch for Bolts. Pop foul behind the Brookline dugout. Caden is 2 for 2 and has been hit by a pitch. Has scored a run, has an RBI and 2 stolen bases in this game. Pitch from 99. It's a ball. 1-1. Foul, out of play, behind home plate. 1-2. It's low. 2-2. This is the top of the sixth. There's one man out. It is 9-5 Bolts. Low, 3-2. Pitch. Grounder up the middle to short. Shortstop to first. 2 men out. Jonathan's up. He's reached on an error. He's singled to right, and he popped up.
Now batting Jonathan Bazzola.
1 for 3 in the game. It's a strike. 0-1. Swing and a miss. 0-2.
Hey, no pitches off, Jay. No pitches off. Right back. Come on. No reason not to attack you. Come on. Give him the key. Come on, Jay. Come on, Jay. Reset it. He's breaking out the key. Okay, bro. Let's go one, two.
Outside. 1-2. Pitch. Call, strike 3. End of 5.5. It's 9-5 Bolts.